Let's get to the trader rundown now with Dan Deming at KCAM Financial. Are you sensing a lot of uncertainty out there, Dan?
Yeah, Angie, I am. I think that's what we did see in the price action in the market last week, as even with the earnings being very strong, there's still a tremendous amount of uncertainty as what the election will mean moving forward, also what the increase in the COVID-19 cases means moving forward. And that's why you're seeing the VIX holding up here around just under 40, again, because of the fact that just there are these uncertainties that the market is probably not. Some of it will clear up after the election, but still not all of it. So I think that's why you continue to see some of these price swings within the market.
Well, those earnings out of the tech sector failed to give the NASDAQ a lift. Apple dropped on iPhone sales. Facebook fell after reporting fewer users. Twitter tumbled on slow growth. Amazon even plunged on worries about what's next. Dan, that sector's not doing much for investors outside of Google.
Yeah, probably causing a little bit of anxiety because of the reaction to very strong earnings for the most part. The expectations were probably a little overdone. It appears that to be the case based on the reaction. Certainly, there were exceptions with Google, Pinterest, some of those names, bucking the trend. But nonetheless, just some reality check, I think, to some degree on some of these names. And really more so, Angie, just the idea that yes, they've had some strong numbers. Yes, they will continue to probably have some strong numbers. But if we continue to see the slowness in the economic structure, not only here in the United States, but from a global perspective, because it does appear, based on all the information that we know at this point, that we are going to be in a slower economic cycle than probably what the market even thought a month ago, particularly with countries now starting to lock down or at least shutter some activity for the time being. So I think that's the biggest impact here on why we're seeing some of these tech names come under some pressure.
Thank you so much, Dan.
Thank you. You too.
For more Business First AM, check us out on social media. We're on Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter. And go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.